of the city where the skyline gleams, building dreams on rooftops, weaving vivid schemes, steel and glass with whispers of the future near. Conrad's calling voices echo crystal clear. Raise the beams to moments painted in the sky, blueprints of ambition where the eagles fly. Hammer hits the echoes of progress we hear. New York City's heart beats louder every year. Rooftop visions lighting up the night, innovation soaring up to dizzy heights. Hammer hits the echoes of progress we hear. New York City's heart beats louder every year. Rooftop visions lighting up the night, innovation soaring up to dizzy heights. Luxury and wonder meeting